Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix the white screen issue on Sims 4 quickly and effectively. This problem usually happens due to corrupted game files or outdated graphics drivers. First, run Sims 4 as administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Next, open Origin or EA app and repair the game by right-clicking Sims 4 and choosing Repair to fix missing or corrupted files. Now, check your graphics drivers and update them to the latest version from your GPU manufacturer's website. If you're using mods, move the mods folder out of the game directory temporarily, as incompatible mods can cause a white screen. Also, clear the cache folder in your Sims 4 installation to remove old temporary files. After that, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements and your Windows or Mac OS is up to date. Finally, restart your computer and launch the game, and the white screen should be gone, letting you play Sims 4 normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.